Hey guys, James here. Thanks for coming back to the shop again. Today we're going to be talking about prepping your car for paint. If you're going to be painting your car in your house, your garage, or wherever, there's some things that you need to do to make sure you get a quality paint job. The paint jobs are all about the prep. The spraying is the easy fun part, so stay tuned. We're going to go back in time a little bit and show you how we prep this WJ Jeep for the Raptor Liner, U-Pull Raptor Liner. Stay tuned. All right, we're in the booth. I got this thing all masked off, just the spots that I did the body work. And you can see all that there. Around here. I got this door jamb to do here, up inside there. And that guy. And then same thing over here on this side. So, not a masking to do these little spots, but it's like Dexter's laboratory in here. But let's get some spraying done. Got to get this primed tonight, so tomorrow we can finish sanding the truck and get it ready for the Raptor. All right, we got the fan going. We got everything sanded down, all the 2K primer. Everything looked real good. I hit it with some more primer, just regular primer to seal up any bare metal that we broke through on. And we're gonna unmask this and shoot the door jambs with the Raptor. Alright, we're in the final sand down here. We missed a spot on the roof. We're gonna start at the top with some fresh Scotch-Brite, and Scotch-Brite all those little ribs up on top one more time, and start hosing it down all the way down to the bottom. Rinse it off real good, blow it off real good, and then we'll get it back in the boot. My son has been kicking ass today. Love it. He's starting to take an interest in this stuff, which I think is pretty cool. And cannot wait to get some color on this thing. It's been a beautiful day here in Florida. Hanging out with my son. Tomorrow's Father's Day. Love it. Alright, we're trying to leave the shop and the light is off. Now Gavin turns that light off. That light turns on and these start doing this weird flickery thing. So I think somebody wired something wrong. I don't know.
I don't know what it is, man.
I know, it's like a horror flick. So I guess, boy, I guess I'm gonna go flick a breaker. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. All that helps with the algorithms with YouTube. And come back and check us out again. Thank you.